Hi, so in this section, now we will see how to join the sets. It's very important chapter, and here you will know how to join two or more set. Look, basically there are several ways to join two or more sets in Python. You can use one union method, use union method, this thing, okay. It basically return a new set containing all items from both the sets, or we can use one more method, so called update method, what we have seen in the past couple of videos, which will insert all the items from one set to another. Okay, we have seen this in I think 2 or 3 videos back. So first we will see the example of the union method. Okay, union method. This method basically returns a new set with all the items from both the set. So if I'll take here set 1 and let's say some strings, comma, let's say B, comma, let's say C. Okay, and I'll take set 2 also, and here let me take the integer value 1 2 3. Simple. Okay, there are two sets combining the different data type also. So for union, we will use a different variable called set3, which will be equal to what? Set1 dot union by which set2. Understood? We are creating a new variable called set3, and we want set1 to be combined with set2, or you can say in different way, we want a new set with all the items from set1 and set2. Okay, that's the reason we have used union over here. So if here I'll print the new set set number 3, then it contain both the item from set 1 and set 2. Okay, this is basically the union method. Okay, and what about the update method? Update method. The update method will what do? It will basically insert the item in the set 2 into set 1. So let me take the same example. Okay, so what we will do here, we will take the item from set 2 and we will update it to set 1. Here update method does not support a new variable, so we need to put all our work in one variable, so called set1 or set2. It's your convenience what you want to take. Okay, so here I am taking set1. I want to put the values of set2 to set1. So set1 dot update, then set2. Now if I'll do print set1, you can see my set1 has the value of both. Okay, look, both union and update, these both method will exclude any duplicate item. This you must understand. Set don't support duplicate item. Okay, so when you are using the set or a value of duplicate item, just understand this. These both method is of set and they don't support duplicate items. Okay, but just in any case you want to keep the duplicate, keeping the duplicate, Then we have a intersection update method. This will keep only the item that are present in both the sides. Just a common type of thing. Okay, if this present in this, then it will keep the same item. Let me take it by an example. Just suppose here I have A, I have B, okay, and now I have C. Let me take one more D, okay, and here again I am taking a different set. Let's say here it is F and G, and just suppose a duplicate value, let's say A. Okay, now A is present in both the sets. X also has A, now Y also has A. Okay, let me take it by 4. H. Okay, now it's good. So what we will use here, we will use the intersection update method. X dot intersection underscore update. Okay, and then we will put the Y over here. So now if I'll print X, then A is a duplicate value, okay, and it is keeping now. X keep what? Intersection. By using intersection, this method keeps only the item that are actually present in both the sets. It's like a duplicate value from both the sets. Okay, this intersection method basically actually return a new set that only contain the item that are present in both the side. Okay, this is a different method of updation. Now we will see the actual method of intersection. It is an intersection update method. Okay, and what if we want to use it in another variable, then their intersection method is actually introduced. So now let me show you intersection method only. Okay, so let me copy the example, this example from here. Okay, so now A is in both the variables. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a new variable called Z, and now X dot intersection where to Y. Okay, and if I'll print the new variable Z, then the same thing will happen. A is now in Z. They use the duplicate value from both the item and now assigned it to Z, and now we printed Z. Okay, means it is a set, means Z is actual set that contain the item that exists in both X and Y. Okay, it's that simple. So, and just suppose here we are talking about the duplicate values. What if I don't want to use the duplicate value, I want the remaining values? Means I want to keep all but not the duplicate. What should I do? So for this, let me create an example. Keep all but not the duplicate. So for this, we will use the symmetric difference update method. Okay, this method will keep only the element that are not present in both the sides. It's just a vice versa of intersection method. So I'll use the same example over here. A is now present in both the side. Okay, so now X dot SYMMER symmetric symmetric difference DIFFERENCE update. Okay, where in Y. And if I'll print this, actually I'm looking for the spelling whether I have written correctly or not. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so now X have those values which are not present in both the sets. Okay, it removed A. You can see A is not present. So if we want to keep only the elements that are not present in both the set, we will use the symmetric difference update method. Okay, and what about one more thing? What if I want to keep the, or I want to contain only the element that are not present in both the sets? What if? So here we will use the symmetric difference method. Okay, just suppose, let me write a question type of thing so that it could be clear. What if I want a set which contain only the element that are not present in both the sets? Simple. Okay, it is same as update method, but there is a intersection update and intersection method. The same will happening here. Symmetric difference update method and the real actual symmetric difference method. Okay, so we will use the same example and we will use a new variable like Z. Okay, and X dot MMETRIC difference DIFFERENCE where in Y, and I'll print the new variable which contain the difference between. Okay, so BFG HDC are present now. It taken from X and Y and now it assigned to Z. A is not present because A is a duplicate value. It is present in both the sets. And the same thing is happening here. The values of true and 1, they all are considered the same value in the set and they all are treated as a duplicate. Okay, let me show you what I am saying. I told you in a couple of video back also, but let me repeat it again. True and 1 is considered the same value. You should know this and remember this also. Just suppose you have this same A, B, C, and let me take true here. Okay, and here I will not take true. I will use let's say I'll use 1 and let's say I'll use 2. Okay, so as I told you, true and 1, this true and 1 is both the same. They are considered the same value, so only 1 will be printed. So which one? Let's see. Now Z, we will use a symmetric difference method. That's the reason I am giving a new variable. Okay, so X dot SYMME TRIC difference DIFFERENCE then Y. Okay, simple, and I'll print Z. Let's see. Okay, now look, true and 1 is same, so it is it treated it as duplicate values. A and A is same, so both are duplicates, and true and 1 is considered the same value, means they all are duplicates, so it is considered only 2. 2 is printed, B, F, G, H, D, C all are printed rather than A and true and 1. Okay, so hope you understood what I am saying actually. Okay, so when you are using set, just keep all these concepts in mind, and when you will do the code, you won't face any error. Okay, this is the basic concepts, you should know this. Okay, so that's all for this section. I'll see you in the next chapter of joining the sets, where you will join the two sets. Okay, no, I have already told you na. Oh, we are already doing this. So no, I think all the things are completed now in the set part. There is certain method which remains, but that is not much needed in the code side. I have told you all the common method what we are actually using for creating a software or creating the concepts. Okay, so now we will see a new chapter. We will start the Python dictionaries. Okay, because we have already seen the 3 data types. Now we have seen list, we have seen tuples, and now we have completed the sets also. In the next chapter we will start the Python dictionaries. Okay, this is a very good and interesting concept also. So till then, bye bye, see you in the next chapter.